How are you guys doing today on this Saturday evening? Oh, well, midnight. What you guys are seeing right now on the screen, it is an actual debt to income, debt to wealth elimination tool. And what we're doing right now is kind of just going over how we are able to help clients. Like I said, right now, what this tool is to be able to help you guys eliminate, get out of debt. As you guys could tell, we and this client, you know, on this client, we are able to help her almost save over $300,000 on her debt that she has right now. Tomorrow we are going to be going over a presentation of what this beautiful tool does. So let me show you guys real quick. So right now she has two mortgages, three loans, and four credit cards. So she owes a little bit over $500,000. So she owes about $623,000. If she would go the conventional route, she was going to pay over $1.1 million. That is 500 a $500,000 on just interest payments that she's gonna be giving to her bank. Because the bank thinks that they're entitled to it because you guys are ignorant and don't know what's happening with your money. So if she would go the conventional route, she's gonna pay over $1 million. If she goes to a debt to wealth elimination tool, she's only gonna be paying a little bit over 788,000. So she's actually saving off the bat $336,000. Okay. So as you guys could tell, for every $1 that goes to principal, $3.78 goes to interest. So, and look at this, the average. So she's gonna have to pay, if she pays the $1.1 million that we are used to in the banks, she's gonna pay for 31 years. As you guys could tell, she is 31, 34. So 31 years from that means that she is not going to be able to be debt free till she is 67, 68 years old. And that's not even her obtaining any more debt. Okay. So that's very powerful, meaning that if her life stays the same as right now, she wouldn't be debt free till the time she is 67 years old. That's alarming. You know what I mean? Because life is changing all these things. So you guys could tell they were saving her 23, almost 23 and a half years. So as I said, if you go the conventional route, you're paying $500,000. But in all actuality, it's the velocity of money that you're losing more. Because if you would take that $500,000 that you're going to pay to the bank and you pay yourself and you deposit it into a 401k, an IRA, a CD that pays 1%, in that exact same amount of time that you're paying the bank, you could have built $2.1 million for yourself. Okay? Um, so you guys could see that right there. So instead of being in debt for 31 years, she's going to be able to be debt free in under 10 years. With a savings of 23 years and a savings of 336,000, not to mention the 286 to the $2,086 they were saving her monthly. So here are the amortization charts. Okay. So you can tell by the 10th year, she's still going to owe $410,000. And over here, she's already positive $20,000. You see the big difference? So don't forget to be on the call tomorrow. And right now, what we are doing free financial blueprint analysis. So if you like and share this video, I'll make sure that I give you a free analysis to show you how much tens of thousands of dollars to even hundreds of thousands of dollars we could save you and your family